Hey guys, Plasmade78 here, and I'm gonna do another fiddle toy review. Yeah, that thing. So I'm gonna show you how to make this. It's a little thing that you just flick around with your thumb. It's actually pretty fun. So let's get on to making it. First, you're going to need mechanic screws and nuts from like Ace or something. And you open that up. Sorry, that was Mabel. Open that up. Take one of these out. Two of these nuts out. And then you take the cellophane tape. Oh yeah, I forgot something. Wait 1 second, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I just trimmed the cellophane tape, so it's just same. So first, you're gonna take one of these nuts and one of these bolts, and you screw it all the way to the end. This is going to be your middle bolt. Wait, I should get a different one because this one's kind of like bumpy. This one. Yeah, that's much better. You screw it all the way to the end. There we go. And then you take the cellophane tape, and then you wrap it a few times around the screw, and then you chop it off. There you go. Put it all the way around, and you can slide it up a little bit. And then you're going to take your nut, screw it on. All the way, and then you just pull the rest of the cellophane tape up. And if you have any remaining things like this, you can just chop that off with scissors, something, so it's nicer. And there, that's it. Now you just flick it around with your thumb, and then, yeah. So this was Plasma878 with nut and screw fidget toy. And I'll see you guys next time.